Okay, so one more thing before we paint, we're gonna drill some holes. We're gonna countersink this stuff. So I have a drill press in the garage, but I wanted to show you that you can just do it here. Essentially, I don't measure them out or anything. I actually don't want them. I want them asymmetrical so that if there's an issue where we're screwing in, we can go back and just flip the coping and screw it in, so we don't have to work with the same holy wood piece of wood or whatever. So essentially, I'm drilling 2 inches in. So I'm going to drill with, I think this is 3/16. Essentially, I want the screw to go through the bottom hole, so I'm going to drill 2 holes with a 3/16, and then I'm going to drill the top hole out so that this fits inside, and then I am going to screw them in down here after I make sure there's no burrs and spray paint it. All right, here we go. Alright, so there's the top hole. You can see I've got this clamped in place just so it doesn't move too much. I'm actually going to clamp it a different place just so that I don't, when I pop through, I don't eat up that wood. So I'll just do it on this top bar. Clamp it here. Actually, it'd be better if I clamp it. I'm going to have it so that when I poke through, I don't hit any wood. There we go. So second hole. That one was a lot easier. And I'll do this one over here. Maybe. Alright. So that's that for this part. I'll put I'll do these 2 others. Then I'll put that fatter one on. I'll drill it right in here. With drilling the holes in here, I'm going to cut these down a little bit. They're a little long, and I want to use them. They're only an 1/8 inch thick, and I want them to match up to the 1/4 inch masonite that I'm putting on the top layer. So I'm actually going to cut a small strip off of each of these. They're 12 inches wide, so I'll cut them down to maybe 9 inches. And then use that 3-inch strip as a shim, so that I'll match the holes, and then then it'll be propped up. That way I don't have to have 2 sheets, and it'll be smooth. All right.